Hey guys, I'm Suleiman Khan and you're watching The Engineer Boy. Alright, so in this video, we will be talking about the command or function which is known by divide. Okay, so because of that, you can draw different points. Okay, you can say multiple points on a singular object like a line on the arc, on the circle, rectangle, on the SP line, on the polyline, etc. Okay, but the divide means that will divide this object into equal parts. Okay, let's just see how this works. This time I got different objects. These are single objects. Okay, this one is just a line, an arc, a circle, and then a spline. You can try this command with rectangle, ellipse, any other thing. Okay, it does not matter. Okay, you can do your unit setup by typing UN in the command bar, and you can do that by yourself. Watch the video first in the same playlist for this dialog box in detail. Okay, so the divide is actually a subcommand of points. Okay, you can access it from the draw, and there we have of course divide. Okay, so simple. You can also access it from the draw, then go to the points. Okay, this one, and there we have divide. Or you can just type div in the command bar. Okay, div, and then press enter. Now if you don't know what to do, look at the command bar. AutoCAD is asking to select object to divide. You can select any object. Like let's try this green line. Okay, it's been selected. Now AutoCAD is asking to enter the number of segments. Okay, the number of division, you can say. This time let's try 4. Okay, and then press enter. It's already been divided. Okay, if you select that, you don't see it. However, you can change the point style. If you look to the utilities drop down, and here we have point style. Okay, you can change the point style. You can also access this drop down by typing DDP type. Okay, DDP, and then type in the command bar, press enter. You can see that. Now select the point style. Which one? Let's try this one. Okay, you can also change the point style size, and when you are done, then click OK. As you can see, it's been divided, okay, into 4 equal you can say parts. Okay, let's just annotate them with you can say a line, so we can see if they are equally divided or not. Okay, so let's try each one. Let's see. Okay, and then the third one segment, and then the final one. As you can see, each segment, okay, this is 2.2, 2.2, 2.2, each one. Okay, pretty amazing. That's pretty good. Okay, let's try this with this you can say an arc. Okay, again div in the command bar, press enter, select this one, and then the number of segments. Let's try 5 this time. As you can see, these are now 5 segments. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but these are equally been divided. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, div in the command bar, select this circle, number of sides. Let's number of segments. Let's try 10. Okay, and that's done. You can also change. Okay, let's just change the point style. Okay, from here, and let me just try this one, the plus one. Okay, and as you can see, pretty good. Okay, you can also change another one. You can specify another one. Let's try this one, or you can even just do that with a dot and then click OK. Now let's try a final with this SP line. So div, click this one. Now enter the number of segments. Let's 25. These are 25, and you can even change. Let's try this one. Okay, 25, and pretty amazing. However, there is one another thing which I really want to mention here. Okay, and that's pretty amazing thing. You can even do this thing with blocks. Let's try blocks. Okay, and let me just delete these things. These are equal division. Remember that again. Okay, these are equal divisions, and I'm going to delete these things. Okay, and let's just delete them by cross selection. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, now Let me just draw a, you can say, an arc by a space. Click here, there, and there's the arc. Okay, and now an ellipse. Let's try EL, and here I'm just going to draw an ellipse, just like, I think it's okay. Now let's select this one and let me try BL so I can make its block. Okay, let's try Z is going to be the name of the block, and I'm happy with that. Does not matter if I just pick a point anywhere. Okay, so click OK. That's Z. Now as you can see, I'm done here. Let's try divide again. DIV, press enter, select the object, which is this one. This time I'm not going to enter the number of segments. Instead that, I can type B to activate the block option. Press enter or space. Now enter the name of block, which is Z. Okay, that's been created. You may have different blocks in your memory, I mean in the memory of CAD, you can say. Okay, different blocks can be there, so you can only type the name. This time I have only one block, which is Z, so press enter. Okay, space does not work here because it's name, so you have to just press the enter. Now as you can see, there are two options. You want to align the block or not. Okay, align will actually align the block with the, you can say, the alignment of this arc. If you don't want to align this, it will just go the same thing as this is already, as you can see, situated here. Okay, I want to align, so click yes. Now enter the number of segments. Let's try 5. Okay, press enter. Done. Okay, as you can see, it's done. Pretty amazing. Okay, so you can even do that with block, and as you can see, these segments can be equal. Actually, it's exactly equal. Okay, that's why it's called divide. Okay, see you in the next video.